One of the questions that I get asked, probably most of all, is why did I start an online business? And I think for me the answer is very simple. It's about having the freedom to work how, where, and when I want to. What that really means is that without working, for a corporate company in a corporate position as I used to, I now have the freedom to decide when I want to work, how I want to work, and where I want to work. And with a laptop and an internet connection, that basically means that I can work from anywhere in the world. Particularly relevant, isn't it, today, I think, with the pandemic, etc. A lot of us are on lockdown at home, although that's starting to ease now. But basically, it really means that with a laptop and an internet connection, which we can use from home, we can work from home. So we have the freedom to do that. But it also means I've got the freedom to spend the time during the day as I want to. And it's like now, here we are, sort of mid-afternoon. I thought it'd be nice to get some exercise, a bit of time away from the laptop, and take the dog out for a walk and just enjoy the fresh air. And the weather today isn't brilliant, to be perfectly honest, but it's just nice to be out here and taking time out, having a little bit of thinking time, thinking about my business and what I'm doing for the future and how I'm designing my marketing and how I want to develop the business, medium and longer term. And I get a chance to do that while getting some exercise at the same time. So perhaps for you, if you're thinking, maybe I'd like to start and run an online business, to have the freedom to work how, where and when you want to, maybe I could help you to do exactly that. If you visit my website at peterboulton.com, on the front page, in fact, you'll find there's a free video workshop which really gives you access to starting to look at why an online business is an attractive option and what's it all about. Why should I start an online business? How should I go about it? What to do, and also what not to do if you're going to try and be successful in this space. Anyway, I'll leave that with you as a thought. peterboulton.com, I'll leave the website address at the bottom of this email so that you can visit it and take advantage of that free video workshop, at the very least just to review for yourself if it's something that you would like to do.